Good morning, everyone. Our company is Shanghai Zhongchai Industry and Trade Limited Company, and today I will take you through for the manufacturing process of our springs. Okay, keep up with my pace. Okay, first we are in the cutting area, and the material you can see are pre-processed called fabrics. And according to the model requirements of different products, we will cut widths and angles of these called fabrics. And you can see we have 4 air conditioners and to make our temperature remain the 25 degrees. This protect the cold fabrics from damages and to protect our products have a high quality.